I love you, Yoshi. Yoshi! What is that noise? Yoshi? Oh, great. King Pig. What do you want? Why can't you just leave us alone? I mean, met this green dinosaur before. He looks... What is this kind of dinosaur anyways? The Yoshi. Didn't you say you won Super Mario and GameStop like almost 2 months ago? So how do you not know what a Yoshi is? Wow, you're that dumb. Oh, shut up, Redbird. I want to kill that thing. Yoshi? What the hell is wrong with you, King Pig? Well, I think there's nothing wrong with me at all. I think I am a wonderful king. The king of the pigs. Of course you are. No, the king of ruthlessness and violence. Basically the same thing. Ugh. God damn it. I want to kill that thing right now. Don't you dare. Yes. Hey, Yoshi! King Peg, put the knife down now. Yeah. Yoshi. Time to die, Yoshi. You already killed my Pokemon. What else do you want? To kill your dinosaur. It's a Yoshi, damn it. Whatever. Yoshi! No! No. No. My job here is complete. You're a stupid Yoshi. You're grounded. Haha. You can't ground me. Ow! You're grounded. I'm still up. Grounded. Grounded.